Hello everyone. In previous video, we have seen question number 1 of exercise 6.4, how to find square root by long division method. Now we will see question number 2. Okay, so let us first read and understand the question. The question is, find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers without any calculation. Means you have to find out that what will be the number of digits in the square root of these numbers. The numbers are 64, 144, 4489, 27225, 390625. Okay, let us first understand the question. Okay, so now they are telling that what will be the number of digit in the square root. Okay, so for example, if you take 2 square, so 2 square is 4. Okay, so 2 square, if we take 2 square, so 2 square is 4. So 4 is the square, this is the square, and this is the square root. So in square root, there is only one digit. Same way, if you take some other example, for example, if I take 36, so 36 is square number, and it is the square of 6, 6 36. So here, how many digits are there? One digit. And in the answer, how many digits are there? 2 digit. And in the question means here in the square root, one digit is there. So 6 में one digit है, but उसका जो answer है square, उसमें 2 digit है. Same way ये सारे square numbers है, उसका जो square root होगा, उसमें कितने digits है वो आपको बताना है. Okay, number of digit in the square root, and that also without calculation. So you have to show it without any calculation. So directly we cannot guess that if one digit is there in the square root, then the square will have 2 digits. So there is one easy formula for that. I'll show you how to find out the square root of, how to find out the number of digits in the square root of these numbers without any type of calculation. Now, to find the number of digits in the square root of the following numbers, square root. Okay, so 64 है, so 64 के square root में कितने digits होंगे, that we are going to find out. So there are two methods. First is by drawing the bar over the number, you can find out the number of digits. If there are 2 bars, then there will be 2 digit in the square root. If there is 1 bar, then the number of digit in the square root will be 1. So first method is very easy. We just have to draw the bar. Now bar, when we draw, we start from the last digit. Okay. And after 2 digits, we draw the bar, means 2 pairing. So if we start drawing bar, so if I draw bar, so in this 64, only 1 bar we are able to draw. So here in the square root, there will be only 1 digit. There will be only 1 digit. So this is one method. Directly by drawing the bar, you can find out. Now second method is, you have to see that the number of digits are odd or even. Okay, so second method is, suppose I'll show you the method on the side. If the number of digits are odd, okay, if it is odd, then the formula for finding the digit is n plus 1 upon 2. For odd, the formula is n plus 1 upon 2. And if the number of digit is even, then the formula is n upon 2. So this is the formula. Okay, when the number of digits are odd, we have to do n plus 1 and then divide by 2. And if the number of digits are even, then we have to do n by 2. So this is the formula according to odd and even. So how to use this formula, that also we will see. This is also easy. Now here how many digits are there? 1 and 2. 2 digits are there. So 2 digit means even. So the formula is n upon 2. So 2 digits are there. So in place of n, we will keep 2. So 2 upon 2. Okay, so if you do cancellation, so you will get 1. So there are 1 digit. So the final statement will be, okay, in the square root of 64, there is 1 digit. So there is only 1 digit in the square root of 64. So this way you can do by drawing the bar, and second by using this formula. Now we will see second one. Second one is 144. So 144 is given. Now we will find out the number of digits in the square root. So first we will check by drawing the bar. Bar, if we will draw 2 bar, we will start from backside here, from the last digit. So 2 and then this one. So how many bar we are getting? 2 bars we are getting. So there will be 2 digits in the square root of 144. So there will be 2 digits. So this way you can find easily. Next method is this, odd and even. So here there are how many digits? 1, 2 and 3 digits. Okay, so 3 means odd. So n equal to 3. Number of digits are 3 and that is odd. Okay, so we will use formula for odd. And the formula is n plus 1 upon 2. Okay, so n plus 1. What is n? N is 3. So 3 plus 1 upon 2. So 3 plus 1 upon 2 means 4 upon 2. Now do cancellation. So 2 ones are and 2 twos are. So again we are getting 2. So 2 digits. Okay. So any method you use, the answer is same. Okay, by both the method the answer is same. So whichever you feel easy you can use. Both are easy actually. This is simple. You have to just draw the bar and you come to know the digits. And this by odd and even. Okay. So 2 digits are there in the square root of 144. Okay, so this was second one. Now third question is 4489. This is third question. Okay. First again we will draw the bar. So here 1 bar and here second bar. So again how many bar we are able to draw? 2 bars. Okay, 2 bars we are able to draw. So there will be again 2 digits in the square root of 4489. Again with the help of this formula we will do. So there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 digit. Means n is 4. There are 4 digit and 4 is even number. So even numbers formula is n upon 2. Simple, divide it. So n upon 2 means 4 upon 2. So ये n जो है 4 है उसको 2 से बस divide कर दो. So 2 ones are and 2 twos are. So the answer is 2. So 2 digits are there. How many digits are there? 2 digits are there in the square root of 4489. So this was third one. Now we will see fourth question. Fourth question is 27225. So now we will see fourth one. Again first we will see by drawing the bar. So here 2 bar. Again after 2 digit means here. Okay, and then here. So now we are able to draw total 3 bars. Okay, these both pairing and these both pairing and this single digit. So there are total 3 bars, means there will be 3 digits in the square root of this number. Okay, now we will again check by another method with the help of this formula, odd and even. So first number of digit we have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means odd. Okay, so for odd what is the formula? N plus 1 by 2. So n plus 1 by 2 we will do n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so what is n? N is 5. So 5 plus 1 by 2 means 6 by 2. So cancel it. 2 ones are and 2 threes are. So we are getting 3. Okay, so in both ways we are getting 3. So there are 3 digits in the square root of 27225. So this was fourth one. Now let us quickly see fifth one. Fifth one is 390625. Okay, 390625. This is last fifth question. Again first we will check by drawing the bars. So पीछे से start करेंगे. So this 1 bar, this 2 digit second bar, this 2 digit third bar. Again 3 bars we are able to draw 3 pairing. So there will be again 3 digits in the square root of this number. Again we will see with the formula. So n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the question there are 6 digits and 6 means even. So now we will use formula for even. Formula for even is n upon 2. So n upon 2 means 6 upon 2. Now cancellation. So 2 ones are and 2 threes are. So 3. So by both ways we are getting 3. So there are 3 digits in the square root of 390625. तो इसका जो भी square root होगा उसमें 3 digits होंगे. So this was question number 2 of exercise 6.4. Hope you understood.